Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Sudhakar Codeworks YouTube channel. In this channel, the videos are related about coding part, or else what we can say programming. So without wasting our time, let us start our first language, Python. Why Python means because it is beginner friendly language, and it is high level programming language, and it is also versatile. What is versatile? Further I will be going on saying. First of all, let us learn about little bit history about the Python. The Python was created by Gideon Van Rossum in 1991. The fun fact what about the Python comes from the comedy show like Monty Python, not the snake. Everyone thinks like Python is derived from the snake. No, the Python name was derived by Monty Python, a comedy show. And when we are starting from Python only means it is popular. As I told, versatile in all the fields. The Python language has been booming, and it is simple and easy to learn. One thing, and it is used in web development, data science, AI, game development, and even automations. And it has also rich libraries like NumPy, data analysis, Django for web apps, and TensorFlow for AI. Even many big companies like Google, Netflix and Instagrams uses the Python language. As I told earlier, it will be beginner friendly to understand, and logically we can write our code, and logically we can think faster, and it is in high demand. And there is a huge Python community to help out whenever you are stuck, and whenever you want something you can go to the official development doc where you will get all the resources. Okay, now let us start our first programming syntax about the Python. Not wasting much out of our time. Okay, in Python the first syntax is about print. Print is nothing but an inbuilt function which gives us the output. Okay, how it gives, let us see. Okay, the prerequisite to write any language means first we have to download the Python, go to the official document, read about it or Google it. You will understand how to download the Python and editor where you write the code. So I prefer that VS Code is a nice editor to write our code. So first I will create my Python hello.py. Whenever you are creating a Python file, it should be in smaller case, lowercase, what you will say, lower to uppercase, and the file name should not contain python.py. That's not a nice practice. Every time you have to start with lowercase to uppercase, it would be nice, and last .py extension like you have to write it, then only our code will work. Okay, now let us print something. Let's print. This is some inbuilt function in the Python which has been written. So using this we will be taking our output. How? Let us see. Like let us type in double quotes. I will be typing hello world. Hello world. Okay. To open the terminal, just click Ctrl and backtick, so you will get the terminal in the shortcut key. Okay, now let run the Python to run the Python language or the code, Python language which we used, and the syntax which I used. How to run that means just type Python first, then file name hello.py. If I type, okay, the output has been occurred here. You can see input here in a double quotes, it will be printed like hello world, how are you. If I type, it will be printed. See again, you can see here hello world, how are you. I had typed. Okay, see, even I type like this, it will be printed. Okay, these are the little bit. This is the one thing where we use printf print statement to print anything in the to print anything, or what else you can say, to bring output of anything we can use it. The print has also a little bit key parameters like objects, separator, end, files, flash. The items you want to print, you can pass multiple items separated also. Not all this print statement works like in numbers also. Print 42. Even this prints. See what I told. Hello world, are you 42? But if I write like this, it works or no? Sending in comment. And try it in your PC. When you are watching this video, just open your PC and even you type with me. So when you do hands-on, then only you will be understanding how the code is working, and we have to do experiment. We have to experiment the code, then only we will be understanding. Okay, now let me run it. Okay, the first two lines have been executed. Here you can see hello world, how are you 42. The last code is say hello is not defined. Anything we are waiting into, if it is a number type, we can pass like this only. If we are passing a string, means we have to pass it in double quote, then only the print function or print statement works. See, now everything works smoothly. Okay, now next in the prints only we will be seeing other types of what all we can print. What only in one string we can print the things we are saying? No, we can print multiple byte by byte strings. I will be showing you here. Like print hello is one string, fun is one string, hi is another string. Okay, hello is one string, fun is one string, hi is one string. So even these three strings can be printed. See, hello, fun, hi. Not in double quotes only, all can be written. We can do byte by byte and we can write the strings. It will be easy to write. This is one thing that is useful. And there is a end. It's also an inbuilt word in the Python. It is used as a parameter changes what happened after the print. Okay, if I type like hello comma end, means whatever the next statement will be, it will go to the above statement and it will be printed. See now, print hello end. If I type like this and print word, if I give like this, you can see now the print statement will be like hello world. Whatever the end statement is there, world, it will go up now. Okay, wait a minute, I've been wrong, I think so. Hello, it's okay, it in double quoted, print hello world. Okay, let me give in double quotes, not a single quote. So it is not working, I think so. Hello. WORLD. Okay. Okay, everything has been fine now. See, the below output you can see that hello fund I next hello, where it has been separated. The word has been separated. If I don't want to separate this, just I have to go close the double quotes like this. See, here the word is not been separated. Okay, this is fun part about the word. In Python, we have to define anything means we have to use a variable. A variable is nothing but where you store data types. What are data types? Further I will be saying there are string data type, there are numbers, there are boolean, there are none. There is only they may have many more data types. What are data types? I will be further on saying about them. Let me use now understand what is variable. Variable is nothing but where you store the data. How you store the data I will say you. Like name. Name I will be giving like hello. Let us think like hello Ramesh. What is your age? It's a string. Where this whole string is being put into the name, a variable where it stores. Okay. Next, let us give a age where it is 25. Where it holds a number at a time, a variable age stores it. Okay, let us print now this. Okay. I print double quotes name and just the name, whatever we are storing that hello Ramesh, what is your age, just if I pass its variable is enough. Next age, and here also same, if I pass age it's okay, you will understand. See, name, age. Okay, further all about the things I will be commenting down. Just copy all the things and just control and slash. The comment works. In Python the hash is nothing but a comment where you want to comment the line. Whatever you have commented, that does not work. Okay. Now let me run my code. Syntax invalid error. Why invalid syntax have been come? Let us debug it. Whenever you are learning any language, the debugging is most important, and the error what you occur, that is very helpful. What error I have done? Let me see. Okay, the error is nothing but the colon. The colons should be inside and have to give a comma. Why? Because there should be a separation now. So it should be like this. Okay, now let me run it. See, here you can see the output. Name hello Ramesh. What is your age? It says age 25. Okay, we don't want name, age means already this has been given. Just type print name comma age. That's also enough. We will get the output. See, hello Ramesh, what is your age? 25, he says. Okay, see how output we are getting, how how the usage of print function is being used here. Getting to know. Not only like that. Okay, you want to write a string and you want to define a variable. There are many methods to define variables in the printf functions, like I will give name equal to Bob. Okay, I want to print hello Bob. I do not need to write another variable and store hello. Just I will go print and f double quotes. I will say hello and double flower brackets I will give the variable name. If I give this much, it will be printed. Where in the string inside only we have to declare any variable, means we have to use double flower brackets and it will be done. Okay, now let me run. See, hello Ramesh, what is your age was thing, and hello Bob is the another thing. See how we can write other outputs, how we can print it. We are getting to know. In this only, if we go on this, we will be understanding this. Okay, for next class, let us will go deeper into the data types. What are number data types, what are string data types, and another thing. As of now, we have printed. If a user want to input, means input is another function where it is used as same like a print. How we print the segment, we will be taking the input. It is very useful, and we will be studying about that also. As of now, enough for this class. Waiting for the focusing on next video, and we're going on to anything.